Good day everyone. So we're gonna talk about the alternative model of trigonometric function values. So ito, gumawa tayo ng isang research kung saan papalitan natin yung trigonometric function values natin. So ano nga ba ito? So this is the trigonometric ratio table. This is the traditional one kung saan makikita natin kung ano yung values ng sin 0, sin 30, cosine 30, tangent 90, yung mga ganun. And it's all about the functions of trigonometric functions. Yeah. So this study is all about creating a new model for that. A model where, kumbaga, mas mapadali natin sa ulo yung values nila, mas makikita natin yung connection ng bawat isang trigonometric function. So let's proceed. So here, nag-create ako ng unang model. So una kong ginawa is nag-classify ko muna sila. Pinagsama-sama ko yung mga same values. Ganyan, at napansin ko na meron silang connection, like the cosine and the sine na partner sila. Meron din ako napansin na meron silang mga partners, like the sine and cosine, the tangent and the cotangent, then the cosecant and secant. So partner sila, inseparable sila. So in every value, lagi sila magkasama. So ayan. So ito, makikita natin, nag-come up ako dito sa unang model natin, which is yung model natin ng una is pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko yung bawat partner. Pinagsama ko yung sine and cosine, the cosecant and secant. Yan. The cotangent and the tangent. So the design natin is just the two rectangles na nandito yung sine, nandito yung cosine, na nandun yung mga values nila. At napansin ko rin na meron silang mga same values, like halimbawa na lang is yung sine 30. Equivalent siya sa cosine 60, which is ang value nila is 1/2. Then ganun din naman sa ibang trigonometric pair, gaya na lang ni cosecant and the secant. Cosecant 60 and secant 30 is equivalent to 2 square root of 3/3. Halimbawa na lang din is the tangent. Tangent and cotangent. The tangent 45 and cotangent 45 is equal to 1. Yeah. So, this model, naisipan ko tong model na to kasi madali makita natin yung connection. So, the problem with this model is just separated siya. Kumbaga, mas marami ka pa rin sasauluhin. So, it's better to look at the table. So naisip ko, as a researcher, mag-come up to another model para mas madali siyang maintindihan, mas compact yung idea, mas madaling tingnan, and at the same time, ay madaling maintindihan. So let's proceed to our next model. Our next model is just like this. So this model, it looks like we've minerge natin yung tatlong model natin kanina, which is yung first model natin. So pinag-merge natin yung sine cosine, the tangent and cotangent, the cosecant and the secant. At ang kung mapapansin natin, there is a triangle here sa pinaka-top. Then meron tayong two outside rectangles. Kumbaga mas naging complicated to. Pero this design or this model, kumbaga pinagsama na lang natin siya sa isang line, like yung sa sine 0 and cosine 90. Katumbas niya is si tan 0 and cotangent 90. So pinag-isa na lang natin sila ng guhit kasi same sila ng value eh. That for trigonometric function has the same value, which is 0. Then ganoon din naman sa tan 90 and also cotangent 0 and secant 90 and cosecant 0. They have the same value, which is the not defined. The problem with this model is that mas complicated. Mas naging complicated yung design, the model, kasi there is so many connections, many lines. So, as a researcher, we need to come up with an easier version, right? So, we have to think on another model. So, we think on another model, nag-isip tayo ng ibang model. So, nag-come up ako dito sa ating final model, which is para siyang nuclear symbol like na model. So, nag-start ako na ginaya ko pa rin yung concept na ma-partner si sine cosine, the cotangent and tangent, the secant and cosecant. So, that way, and unti-unti kong nabuo yung ating model. Since, sabi ko, tatlong pair sila. So, naisip ko na medyo mag-start sa hexagon. Then, doon ko nabuo yung una. Then, nakita ko na napansin ko na nag-intersect sila sa isang value, which is yung 1. So, I added circle sa gitna. Then, how about then two semicircle? Since meron nga value na magkakapareho yung cosine 90, sine 0, tan 0, and cotangent 0. Nilagyan ko siya ng arc para madaling makita, and I highlighted the semicircle, the arc. So, madali siya makita and para distinct siya dun sa ibang lines. Ayan. So, that's the final model. So, let's proceed sa ating, ito yung itsura natin ng final model natin. So, mag-proceed na tayo dun sa ating conjecture. So, mag-proceed tayo sa conjecture. Ito yung ating mga conjecture. Conjecture 1, the two outside semicircle has the same trigonometric values. Conjecture 2, all trigonometric functions intersect with at least one exact value. Then conjecture 3, there are pairs in trigonometric functions that are inseparable. Conjecture 4, the sum of theta of trigonometric pair with the same value is 90 degrees. Conjecture 5, the inside value of trigonometric pair is greater than their outside value. So let's proceed sa mga proof natin. Paano ba natin patunayan natin na tama yung mga conjectures natin? So first, the conjecture 1, the outside value of semicircle has the same trigonometric values. So, gaya na sabi ko kanina, the cosine 90, as we can see, cosine 90, the sine 0, and the tan 0, and cotangent 90 has a value of 0. Kung makikita rin natin siya sa table na pareho yung kanilang values. So, ibig sabihin, yung semicircle sa labas, yung unang semicircle, the bigger semicircle, same yung value nila, which is 0. Ganon din naman siya sa tan 90, cotangent 0, secant 90, and cosecant 0, which is ang value naman nila is not defined or undefined. So, that's the proof para sa ating conjecture 1. Let's proceed sa conjecture 2. So, conjecture 2 natin, nakalagay is all trigonometric functions intersect with at least one value. So, kung makikita natin doon sa model natin, doon sa pinakagitna, merong value doon na 1. So, gaya yung sabi ko kanina, nag-intersect sila sa isang value. So, sine 90 is equal to 1, cosine 0 is equal to 1, tan 45 is equal to 1, and cotangent 45 is also equal to 1. Secant 0 is equal to 1, and cosecant 90 is equal to 1. So, they intersect at one exact value, which is D1. So, nilagay ko siya sa gitna kasi dun sila lahat nag-intersect. So, let's proceed sa conjecture 3. There are pairs in trigonometric functions that are inseparable. So, what do you mean by this? So, ibig sabihin lamang nito is in every value, meron pairs. Halimbawa na lang, the sine and cosine, pair sila. So, paano ko nasabi? Sa value na 1/2, meron sine and cosine doon. The sine 30 and cosine 60. And hindi natin sila mapapaghiwalay. Halimbawa na lang is, in every value of 0, magkasama pa rin doon si sine and cosine. Tapos si tangent, saka cotangent. Kumbaga, there's no instances na maghiwalay sila sa isang value. Hindi mapapasama sa isang value si sine lang, hindi mapapasama sa isang value si cosine lang. Lagi silang magkasama. At ganoon din naman yung kaso kina cotangent sa si tangent. Ganoon din kay secant at cosecant. Hindi sila naghihiwalay. So there are three pairs. There are pairs in trigonometric functions na inseparable. Diba? So kung makikita natin, doon sa value na 1, lagi magkasama yung pair natin. Sa value na 3 is squared of 3 over 3, nandun si cotangent 60 and si tangent 30. Hindi sila naghihiwalay. Tapos dito sa halimbawa na lang sa not defined, nandun pa rin si cotangent and si tangent. Tapos at the same time, si secant at cosecant, there's no instances na maghihiwalay yung bawat pair na yun. Lagi silang magkasama. Although magkaiba yung kanilang theta, yung angle, is magkasama pa rin sila doon sa isang value. Lagi silang magkasama. So let's proceed to sa conjecture 4. The sum of the theta of trigonometric pair with the same value is 90 degrees. So ito nga yung sinasabi natin pair kanina, which is yung sine cosine, cotangent and tangent, the secant and the cosecant. So, sabi dito is the sum of the theta of the trigonometric pair with the same value is 90 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, yung same value, yung sum ng theta nila, pag pareho yung kanilang value is 90 degrees dun sa pair. Sa pair unahin natin yung sine at saka si cosine. First pair. Sine 30. Doon sa value nila na 1/2, di ba pareho sila doon na value ng 1/2. So sine 30 and cosine 60 is 1/2. So their theta, the sum of their theta is 90 degrees kasi 30 degrees ni sine and 60 degrees ni cosine is 90 degrees, right? So let's proceed naman dito sa gamitin naman natin yung 45. So dito sa cotangent, sa tangent 45, ang value nila is 1. The sum of their theta is also 90, right? So let's proceed sa secant and cosecant. So halimbawa na lang na value nila is ito, kunin natin yung value nila na 2 squared of 3 over 3. The secant 30 and cosecant 60 is 2 squared of 3 over 3. Same value sila, and at the same time, pag pinag-add nyo yung kanilang theta is equal to 90 degrees. So, ayan, dyan mapapatunayan natin na tama yung ating conjecture 4. At meron naman tayong proof dyan na pag pinag-add mo yung kanilang theta is equal to 90 degrees. Let's proceed sa conjecture 5. The inside value of trigonometric pair is greater than their outside value. So, what do you mean by this? Itong ating model is meron tayo, di bang, outside value and inside value. So, nasan nga ba sila? Yung inside value, yung outside value, nasa labas siya nung parang triangle. Parang triangle-like. So, that's the outside value. So, dito sa case ng sine and cosine, the outside value was the sine 30 and cosine 60, which is the 1/2. 1/2 is smaller than square root of 2 over 2. So it means the inside value is greater than the outside value. Same din sa cotangent and tangent. The square root of 3 is greater than square root of 3 over 3. Then same din sa secant, sa cosecant. Cosecant 30 and secant 60 is equal to 2, which is greater than the 2 square root of 3 over 3. Then, ayan. That's it. That's our alternative model para sa trigonometric function values. And to sum it up, yan, dito sa model natin na to, makikita mo yung connection nila, yung pagiging inseparable ng bawat pairs, yung connection nila na may magkakapareho yung values na, ayan. And yung sum nila na always 90 degrees dun sa pagpareho yung kanilang values. Diba? Like, halimbawa na lang yung cosine 90 and sine 0. 90 plus 0 is equal to 90 pa rin. So, that's it po. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.